Hey guys, this is number 6 from 9.1b. A student asked if I could work it out, so I thought I'd just make a quick video. When you look here, the first thing we're to do is group our x's and then our y's. As you look at the equation, this 16x squared is the only term with x's in it, so it will just stay by itself. But then the y's, there's a couple of them. So there's my x's and then my y's. Sorry. There are the 25y squared minus 300y, 25y squared. And then, I don't know if you remember, but just like a circle, we want to move this to the other side, so it would be negative 500. Okay? Now, since there's no other x's, it's kind of nice. I actually don't have to complete the square on that one. Just leave it alone for now. The y's, though, I definitely need to take out the 25. And we're going to complete the square. So if you take 25 out of 300, it is 12. So minus 12y. And then I'm going to leave space for my c value. And this is equal to negative 500. Okay? All right, so what I need to do to get this term is divide by 2. That is negative 6. If you want to hop up here, take negative 12. Divide by 2 and square it, you get negative 6 squared, or 36. So I'm going to put 36 here. Don't forget, though, that I have to do 25 times 36 to know what to add to the other side. So I didn't just add 36, I added 900 to that side. Okay, now I need to factor. So it'll be just 16x squared plus 25 times, and that's y minus 6 squared equals 400. Okay, now I'm trying to make the equation of an ellipse, so this needs to be equal to 1. The last thing you need to do is go through and divide by 400 because I need this to be 1. So whatever you're left with over here is basically what you go through and divide by. 400 divided by 16 is 25. So this is 1 and 25. And 25 goes into 400 16 times. And obviously this is 1 and 1. So your equation is going to be x squared over 25 plus y minus 6 squared over 16 equals 1. This is longer in the x direction, so it's going to be a horizontal ellipse. That also tells me that a is 5 and b is 4, the square root of those two numbers. So I know it's horizontal because it's longer this way. I also know my center is at 0, 6. And then my major axis, if a is 5, my major axis is 2 of those, so 10. Sorry, it just got really dark. And then my minor axis is 2 times 4, which is 8 units. So make sure you put units on here because it is a length. All right, so there's number 6. Here's your equation. Okay, and then from there we get all this information. Let me know if you have any more questions and I'll either work it out for you and post a picture or just do a video.